Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this wig. I'm gonna show you how I install it, style it. It actually came body wave, but I decided to straighten it because I really wanted to do this feathered look because it came pre-colored, and this hair is from Nadula hair. They really did that. Okay, they colored this wig and everything, and the lace is not even HD. So I'm going to show you how I blend the lace because it came a little bit dark, but I did blend it to look as natural as possible. So I am going to show you guys how I blend the lace because it did come a little darker than normal, but the hair itself is really super pretty. And if you guys do not know this life hack when it comes to wigs, if you want to get like full straight hair, make sure you get body wave hair because when you flat iron it, it's really super thick. And I cut the front part and it's still super thick. So I'm gonna have all the links to this wig in my description box, so make sure you guys check them out, and let's get right into this video. I will be looking a little bit crusty, so beware.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some hearts down below because you guys know I love when you leave me hearts. And don't forget to check out Nadula hair. This is their wig. I already told you guys the specs, so I will link it down below if you guys like it. And if you learned anything from this video, just tell me thank you in the comment section. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias, my Instagram and my TikTok. I don't even be doing TikTok like that, but I'm trying, okay? And yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.